How to export video in CapCut PC. Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to export your edited video in CapCut on your PC. Exporting file is the final step in the video editing process. So let's get started. Before exporting, make sure you've reviewed your edited video to ensure it looks exactly how you want it. Now in the top right corner of the CapCut interface, you will find the export button. Click on it to begin the export process. A dialog box will appear with various export settings. Let's go over them. First of all, add a title. Let's say I am writing girl. Then you can choose the resolution and quality of your video. CapCut offers options ranging from 360 pixels to 1080 pixels. Select the one that suits your needs. I'll select 1080 pixels. Next, you can choose the frame rate. Common options are 24, 30 or 60 frames per second. Choose the frame rate that matches your project. You can also adjust the bitrate which affect the video file size and quality. Higher bitrate result in better quality but larger file sizes. Select the file format with your video. CapCut typically offers formats like MP4, MOV. MP4 is widely compatible format. Choose where you want to save your exported video by clicking this folder. Click Browse to select a specific folder or location on your PC. Once you have figured all the settings, click Export button at the bottom right to start the export process. You will see a progress bar indicating the export status. The time it takes to export depends on your video length and complexity. Once the export is completed, you will receive a notification your video is now ready to be shared or uploaded to your desired platform. And that's how you export a video in CapCut on your PC. It's a straightforward process, but choosing the right export settings can make a big difference in the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and don't forget to leave any question or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.